Okay, Guyana, okay. This is RGK.
Loudest Joe.
Definitely gonna give you that vibes. You ready?
Yeah.
Talk to them.
Yo, big up 4 Life in the building. Big up my 97. Vibes.
Yo, why you always tripping on me?
Yeah. Yo, why you always tryna set me up? Yeah. Why you always overthinking all the time? But love that I always be on your mind. Why you thinking everything I said was lies? All because you not seeing me alive. Girl, lately, since I got into the city, yeah. Girl, lately, I just been so hella busy, but you ain't gon' believe I didn't even leave. You might find it funny, but since the last time that we linked, when you DM
Hold up.
me,
I'm gonna talk about right now RGK in the building. Definitely. It's all about Open Mic Wednesday right here on the Mad Station, Man 7.5.
yeah.
And the vibes of show. Let's go.
Girl, why you always tryna set me up? Oh, girl, yeah. Why you always overthinking all the time? But love that I always be on your mind. Why you thinking everything I said was lies? All because you not seeing me online. Girl, lately, since I got into the city, yeah. Girl, lately, I just been so hella busy, but you ain't gon' believe I didn't even leave. You might find it funny, but since the last time that we linked, when you DM me, can't keep up with your speed. Can't even hear the message left for me after the beat, cause I've been texting on my TV. Texting on my TV. My phone gave out on me. Fell and broke the screen. Been fixing it, but I just been keeping it low key, cause I've been texting on my TV. Texting on my TV. Didn't even leave. Girl, been texting on my TV. Yeah. Next track, please.
He's in the building, people. RGK. You see what I mean? What I say? Book the artist. Listen music, Guyana.
Yeah. But she o'clock in the morning. She call me, say she feel honey. She might go back in the alley. And she want to get a little naughty. Yeah, so I'm up in the alley. 240, zoom me like Sonic. Say she want to do it, wanna gas it. Yeah, love, one freak. Send up that.
RGK is in the building right now. Definitely see what I'm talking about.
Yo, big up stuff you want.
All the club owners them right now.
Oh.
Book the artist, man. Go so.
But 3 o'clock in the morning, she call me, say she feel honey. She might go back in the army, and she want to get a little naughty. Yeah, so I'm up in the alley. 240, zoom me like Sonic. Say she want to do it, wanna gas it. Yeah, Lord about freak. Wanna make love in the backseat of my Rover. Yeah, she want to come over. Yeah, for me to bend her over. Lord about freak. Wanna make love in the backseat of my Rover. Yeah, she want to come over. See me get a bad thing from teleperformance, small lash. She didn't want
Hi. Big up the teleperformance ladies, them. You see what I'm talking about?
Big up everybody, all them cars into.
Hey, don't want to rate.
Big up Quafan. Big up Itel.
Yeah. Well, you know, we gotta continue big up Itel, because the rumors right now going around say Itel we closing down, I think. Because Itel
that's
one until it two, but nevertheless, sad, but big up a Teleperformance girl. I like it. I like it, Guyana. Never talk about incorporate our own. Talk to them.
But she cooking in the morning. She call me, say she feel honey. She man gone back in the army. And she want to get a little naughty. Yeah, so I'm up in the yardie. 240, zooming like Sonny. So she want to do it on the gas. Yeah, Lord about freak. Wanna make love in the backseat on my Rover. Yeah, she want to come over. Yeah, for me to bend her over. Lord about freak. Wanna make love in the backseat on my Rover. Yeah, she want to come over. See me get a bad thing from Teleperformance, one lash. She do want some shots, so come for my rock. Come and let me stir your pot while I rap. Up in my stomach, me send up my python. All night I gonna get you falling.
Somebody say lyrics.
From night until morning. Girl, bend over and twerk. Didn't even have to take off your skirt. After that, the pepper spray in her purse. When we don't you store me number, I spit the piper. Put your muscle, make it tighter. Engine up and you still a ship gear. Rest up on the steering wheel while you have the like. Wanna make love in the backseat on my Rover. Yeah, she want to come over. Yeah, for me to bend her over. Lord of back freak.
Sing over that one right now. Sing over that one right now. RGK in the building, but tell your people. Me say Guyana, a we place. Artists are right here. Book the artists, them talk to them.
Second you say I'm alone. I hop in that whip like skirts. 240 banging that turn. You just keep turning me on. When girl you got me in the songs, I just can't leave you alone. You just keep turning me on. Girl you got me in the zone. Girl I be all over you. Yeah, you be all over me. Yeah, there's nothing else to do. Cause we in quarantine. I be all over you. You be all over me. There's nothing else to do. Cause we in quarantine. Yeah. Wanna feel that pain come too. I know you got a couple loose screws. Front door shut back too. Blind spot down. What you gonna do? I know a lot of things you like. I hear the lights feel tight at the little place, right? Wanna be that freaky girl tonight. Treat me right, I'ma treat you likewise. Baby, take a look in my eyes. Feel I got you hypnotized. Everything's gonna be alright. I'm yours, you're mine. Don't stress it, I'll be a blessing. But first I'ma teach you a little lesson. Spank that, crank that. Second you say I'm alone, I hop in that whip like skirt. 240 banging that turn. You just keep turning me on. When girl you got me in the zone, I just can't leave you alone. You just keep turning me on. Girl you got me in the zone. Girl I be all over you. You be all over me.
What?
There's nothing else to do. Cause we in quarantine. I'll be all over you. You be all over me. There's nothing else to do. Cause we in quarantine. Yeah. Don't look back, give it a little snap. Girl, you got a rap rap, hit it from the back, finna make it scream for the dispatch. Yeah, yeah. No condo, we f***ing like a Flintstones. Shoot a bad vibe out the window. Bounce with it, twerking it. You just gotta put a little work in. You say I'm alone.
Yo, RGK level. I want to test your skill. If you can't do it, me understand. But I want to test your skill right now. Cause I'm going to rate you. I'm going to know you're a bad artist. I'm going to test your skill right now. Take time listen to the beat first.
Na 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Test your skill now.
Na, 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 na.
You ready?
Yeah, girl, me know you want a bad man up in high belly. That shit on your pussy.
You're tired, but we talented wrong, yes, sir.
Bad man. She want a bad man. She said she she want a bad man.
You ready? Talk to them.
I know you want a bad man up in her belly. Dash up on your body, make you jiggle like a jelly. Say she love a man, to chop her like a penny. Neighbor push your nipple like a cockabelly. Oh, you done, you said it even though they come ready. You know I'm the liquor boy from Miss Up Ready.
You got it, you got it, you got it. You know.